Watch out, watch out, watch out!
Jesus Christ! I knew it! Kept inching forward.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Yo, dude, I got it on camera.
Oh, my God.
And everybody's top 10. And I get better with time, it's fine, never
Wow, that was an accident. No. Good thing Daddy found it. Daddy saw it. We got that on video.
That's gonna be hard to pull. Oh, wait. Better definitely go back. I knew the guy that delivered that first. Oh, crap. I'm going straight. But I saw that too. Think I should stay for the police or let them deal with it? Let them deal with it. I saw that happening, and it was that Ford's fault, because if you look at it, the SUV, the Toyota, was in the right lane to make the left, and the Ford made the left from the right. No, made the no.
And don't forget, if you want your dash cam clip featured on a DCTV episode, you can send it here on DCTV. It's simple and easy. For more details, have a look at the description below. Help everyone learn from your experience. I'm Ann and this is Nicole. Thanks for watching. Bye.
That way. What are you doing? No, dude. Highway. Turn around. That's the highway. You're about to go on the highway the wrong way. Jesus Christ.
Same time, and I'm turning right, he's turning left.
Oh, watch out, there's a cop.
Yep. My fan can't do anything.
Don't count on it. They did turn right, they went into the other lane.
Oh.
There we go. There you go.
In a quarter mile, turn right on US 41 South. Turn right on US 41 South.
Back. There's just been a major accident. No, I gotta call back. There's just been a major accident. I just got witness to it. I gotta call back. All right. See you. I'm gonna be late. I'm sorry. All right. Thanks.
The good thing now that I'm permanent, my medical went cheaper for the same thing. Like really, the key was paying for part of it. They put in like 50 something, 60 something in my health savings account. Like, oh, that's nice. Plus, vision and dental and medical now, the whole combination of that is only. What is that car doing? What the F? Did you see that car doing? What the F? Did you see that? What is that car doing? What the F? Did you see that?
Dash cam, Mom. Duh. There you go.
Why was it doing that?
Who knows?
That motorcycle could have gotten killed.
Yeah.
That's why we have this.
She's a doctor. Oh, she's a doctor. It's the same day. Commendable. Yeah. Yes, what he said. Well, let's stop at that. First of all, Robin's in our business, right? How does she not know that? And then I felt like even to the end of the show, she was doing it like. What the hell was that fucking car trying to do? Call the fire up? I definitely got that sense that she was like, oh, you still don't think it's as well as I was saying for the rest. He was right. I thought he was really good. But I think it's so funny when and then they said never back again. Then they did the show and they realized something went out and then they brought it back and now it's like, oh, this is another wedding.
Some people just do not need to be out in this damn traffic if they don't know how to drive.
You just hit me, man. I'm fine.
Cannot hang up. We are currently assisting other callers. Your call will be answered
You just
by
hit
the next